Once upon a time, in the vast and boundless sky, there lived a group of fluffy, happy clouds. Each cloud had its own unique personality, but one cloud stood out from the rest. This was Cloudy, a playful and adventurous little cloud who loved to share stories with children. Meet Cloudy and his cloud friends. They live high up in the sky, where they play hide and seek with the sun, giggle with the wind, and paint the sky with the most vibrant colors. Hey there, little ones. I'm Cloudy, and I have something special to share with you today. Did you know that clouds are magical storytellers? We create shapes in the sky that can turn into anything you can imagine. All you need is a little bit of imagination. Look up at the sky and tell me, what shapes do you see? Maybe a fluffy bunny or a flying dragon? Cloudy loved to play hide and seek with his best friend, the sun. They would take turns peeking out from behind each other, creating the most beautiful games of light and shadow. Just like the sun and I, it's important to be a good friend. As the day comes to a close, Cloudy and his friends start to drift away. But don't worry, they'll be back tomorrow with more stories to tell. So, my dear friends, the next time you look up at the sky and see fluffy clouds, remember that they are not just clouds, they are storytellers waiting to share magical tales with you. Until next time, may your days be filled with joy, laughter, and endless imagination.